welcome. It's your brother again, Augustine Emeka. A lot of people have been asking me, how long does it take to master programming? How long does it take to master how to code? How long? 1 year, 2 year, 6 months? How long does it take? So how do I go about answering these? I believe that your ability to master how to code depends on 3 or 4 factors. Number one, your intelligence. If you want to learn how to code faster, you have to be very intelligent. You have to have backgrounds in mathematics and sciences. If you're very good in mathematics and sciences, it will be easier for you. I think it will be easier. I'm not saying for sure, but I think your intelligence has a lot to do. If you're intelligent, you learn faster, and it wouldn't take you longer time to learn coding than it would have. Number two factor is that it depends on the intensity of the training. The intensity of the training is very, very important. If you go through, like we are having a boot camp on coding now, if you go through our intensive training within a period of 6 weeks, you're already good. As time goes on, you master programming. I personally, I didn't learn programming with much intensity when I started. I started learning programming about around 2728. You understand? And somebody asked me the textbook I use. These Java How to Program, written by Delta. This is the textbook I used. You can see how torn and worked on it is. You understand? So this is the textbook I used in learning programming over around 28. It's been almost 10 years now. You understand? But when I started, the intensity was not there. I went through a formal school learning, and it wasn't as what I do now for other students that are learning through me. 6 weeks intensive learning with practicals and projects. As you're learning, you're already producing things. So if you learn in that way, you learn faster than when you go through normal learning, like study, like it might take you longer time. Then another thing is the environment and the circumstances you're learning in. If you're learning in the environment that we have here in our boot camp, where you have all the facilities there, you learn faster. When I learned my own programming, I didn't have very nice environment. When learning, I didn't have the tools and the necessary facilities needed to learn faster. So all those things contribute to how you learn, how fast you master programming. Another thing is the circumstances within which you're learning. Like you're working and you're doing other things and you're not dedicating much time to learning programming, it might take you longer time. So when you ask the question of how long does it take to master programming, or how long does it take to learn how to code, it depends on all these things. If you're very intelligent, you learn very fast. Within a year, you're very good. Yeah, I think so. You'll be very, very good. You'll be able to do applications and produce projects and solutions to people's problem. If you go through our bootcamp, within 6 weeks, you already have the fundamentals in programming and you start doing projects. You understand? So with time and experience, you tend to grow and become stronger. So like I showed you, this is the textbook I started with. This Dialtel, Java How to Program. Dialtel, written by Dialtel. These are 7th edition. See, it's already done. I've been like working on it. In fact, recently I've done more work on this Java How to Program than what I did when I bought it like 10 years ago. So you have to really work very hard. The intensity of your training has to be very high if you want to learn faster. So it can take you 6 months to master programming. It can take you 1 year. It can take you 5 years. It can take you 10 years. But I hope you know that the more you gather experience in some fields, the better you become. You understand? The more the years, the better you become. So you can link up with us, download our application on Google Play Store. If you have Android phone, just type in JAMB WAEC NECO Uni in the search. You see our application, download it. We update our lectures on how to program using Java. We are training Java now. We're very serious with the lectures. So when you download our app, you can learn faster, so that you can start completing tasks. You can always call me on my number so that I can help you, put you through in some other things that you need me to. My number is plus 234 70. Please let me come again. Plus 234 70 671 62698. Please check our website www.jamwayeknecouni.com to learn more. You can also like our YouTube channel where you're seeing this video. Subscribe so that you can be getting our updates from time to time. Thank you.